Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will see how to download and install Slack on your Windows PC. First of all, you need to open your browser and need to type download Slack for Windows. Press enter. Then you have to visit the first link. I am currently downloading the 64-bit ones, but if you have a 32-bit processor, then download the 32-bit ones. Click on download. It will start downloading. As it is a 81 MB app, so it might take little bit of time. For this video purpose, I have already downloaded the exe file. In your downloads folder, you will able to see Slack setup.exe file. You have to double click on it. It might take little bit of time, and you can see this kind of view. After installation is completed, you will able to see this screen on your PC, and a shortcut of Slack will be automatically created on your desktop. So that's it for download and installation. Thank you.